Thank you for joining us. Let's learn what is a wipe and what's uh, the famous term PBX. What is and we will cover in this course. A traditionally telephone is out and wipe is gaining in popularity. In wipe is internet protocol, IP protocol communication have been steadily implemented across the telephony industry for the last couple of decades. The requirement for separate voice in data network is gone, and nowadays business are expecting a more future rich communication solution, something that allow for more than just voice calls, with more and more providers switching to any offering IP telephones. Businesses are quickly migrating to VoIP PBX system, which offer the hug advantage of converging data in voice network. VoIP, which stand for voice over internet protocol, it is basic form that is the traditional of voice traffic over IP based network is opposed to voice over the traditional PSTN public switch telephone network initially designed for data networking. The internet protocol, or you call it IP, was adapted to voice network following its successfully positioning in the global stand for data network. Global stand for data networking. With Wi phone system, users are not limited to making and receiving call through the IP network. Traditional phone lines can be used to guarantee a higher call quality and availability with the user of VoIP gateway incoming PSTN or telephone line can be converted to VoIP. The VoIP gateway allow the users to receive and place call on the regular telephone network. VoIP PBX system provide mobility to employ flexibility when a business expand is they are much easier to manage than the traditional PBX and can also considerably reduce telephone administration's cost. The benefit of a wide PBX is the compatibility with a wide telephone of hardware. Business don't have to worry about being forced into proprietary contract that limited their investing in the future. It is a wide solution with options. So so we will cover is a collection of some of the most frequently questions we receive about wipe use or wipe. You can use or wipe course is a resource to learn everything you need to know about VoIP telephony. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining us.